Right, I can't go too fast with this because it wallows.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's got.
Because I'm shit.
Right, annoying start up BMW. ABS off. ABS is off. Please don't come back on again and kill me. Check, check. Thumbs up. Safety first. Perhaps you should take your gloves off. You'll never get it done. Safety first. Put the helmet on. Make sure your helmet's fastened tight up. It takes longer. Hippodrones to set up his cameras, or him to just do a simple helmet. It's kind of worrying, really, isn't it? Do you need someone to come and dress you in the morning? Okay, now he's good. And we're off.
Hope you appreciate how much faffing we have to do to get these videos even recorded, let alone edited. Anyway, so today on today's ride, it's me on my BMW, and it's Hippodrones on his Beta Alp 4.0.
You have got clear goggles. No, you haven't.
No, I keep meaning to get some, but...
You know, it's really hard in summertime to do this.
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to see anything.
Every summer is the same. People start to try and block off the lanes, either with rubbish or some sort of barrier. People just don't know that we are allowed to go down here, and yeah, more people go down these lanes in the summer, so there's more natural or suddenly barriers appearing where they shouldn't be.
Did you see that log back there?
Yeah.
So that people were putting them in front of the thing, and someone lives here, you know.
Yeah.
But people were blocking it anyway to stop bikes and 4x4s and stuff like that. Let's see if I can keep up. My bike just slams into things. Is the problem here. My bike just kind of like just plows into it. I think I've broken something. I hit something pretty hard back there.
It's been a while since I've taken the BMW off-road, so I'm a little bit rusty with it, getting used to where and how it handles.
Is that rubbish? Someone's been dumping curtains. Oh, I know what the curtains are for. Oh, there's a bumper, so someone's had a crash. Ha! I slammed on the rear brake, stopped the spun the wheel because I'm in soft sand, and just cut the bike out.
Hey, it's so different.
Yeah, it's dry, isn't it?
How'd you find it?
Yeah, it's easy. Well, it's just slower on this bike because every time you hit something, it's like, ugh. You got all that extra weight to stop.
Yep.
And you can't stop quickly on this.
You should try these brakes here, mate. These are pretty much non-existent. I really need to look at them. Like, you were right. I don't think they're right.
Yeah, if I can put it back to the grip, that's not right.
Yeah, it's so soft. I mean,
There's got to be a valve somewhere. There's letting air in or something.
yeah, it's probably. I mean, the thing is, with all the water stuff we've done as well, probably hasn't helped.
Oh, I done water stuff from my other bike and never had any problem.
But yeah,
That's
that's
Honda.
Honda. This is Italian.
You got to me wet.
Here's my pasta.
A bit.
We need to boil in the bath.
This is going to be interesting. God, this is going to be so overgrown. Good news, not slippery. Bad news, overgrown. Camera's on? Good. Let's not block that, shall we? Let's get a dick move. Further forward, shut down. And we'll wait here for the hippopotamus. No, we can't, because I can't get off the blooming bike. Come on, there we go.
It's so much harder, because the sides are hard now.
Oh, look at this! Whoop.
Whereas certain lanes are very bumpy, as in there's quite bumps. This one is quite relatively flat, but it's quite rocky, and this is where I can actually excel at, because my BMW is just so awful with its suspension. I really should drop some money into it and get it sorted.
You alright?
Yeah.
Knackered?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So in one ride we saw a log that was just put to the side. We shouldn't be really there, should be on the pile. Don't know what's happened there. Someone's got to put it back. A load of fly tipping with a load of branches and stuff like that. Someone's garden clippings. They decided to dump that there. Some sort of like makeshift stone barrier. But that's it. I've seen a lot worse. I've seen burnt out cars. I've seen, well, a hell of a lot of rubbish. It always happens more in the summer as well.
Morning.
Thanks very much. Very kind. You could have come past, you wouldn't have minded.
Oh, just in case, eh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Anyone's wondering, probably not, but what do I prefer, the BMW or my CRF? Well, it's really hard to say, but overall I prefer my BMW. It handles fine off-road, it's just a little bit more trickier, a little bit more heavier. You can't make as many mistakes. On the 250 you can make mistakes and you can get away with it. It's a light bike. But the BMW, once you're committed, you have to be committed. There's no half throttle. For some sections the BMW is just dreadful. For some it's fine. For some it's brilliant. Going uphill with the BMW is better than the CRF because you still got power. The CRF doesn't have as much power to get you up that hill, so you just have to, well, hope for the best. It can do it, just not as quick. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll leave you in a clip of my downhill descent where going downhill you do not really want to tap the bike into neutral, and you do not want to really lock up the wheels. And unfortunately I did both, but I saved it because I am that good. No, actually I think I just got lucky.
Make way for me. That's all for this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop it a like. If you want to, you can subscribe maybe. Maybe I'll have some more videos later, who knows. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next video. Ciao. Oh yeah, also check out hippodrones. But you probably already have. So yeah. Thanks for watching.